Let's talk about media kit. Now, this term of media kit has kind of just been tossed around in a lot of different asset market newsletters, and it's kind of just become this blanket statement for templates that have multiple artboards or multiple pages. But the more traditional media kit is essentially an elevated and more highlight focused cover letter. This isn't necessarily a resume, but it's a quick 2 to 3 pager about me. They tend to be more aesthetic design-wise and help the person in question use structure and design to help showcase their skills, talents, metric, and whatnot. For example, when Drew does a coffee with Kittl, the guest having a nice media kit to send him could provide some cool facts and stats, maybe a little bio that can lead the interview and give some helpful talking points. Or you can send this to potential clientele, highlighting why you're better than the competition. We're going to be focusing on these more personal and biographical media kits using some of our awesome pre-made templates, because who really has all the time in the world to make this stuff from scratch? Let's check it out. As most of you guys already know, we have our awesome categories here on the Kittl homepage that help you find the templates that you need to create the things that you need to create. So if we go to the marketing category and we scroll over to the end here, we've got this little category called media kits here. So we can click on that, and then here are all of our media kit templates that we have available right now. It looks like there's some business cards that have snuck their way in that we'll have to weed out, but most of these are all media templates. So if I was coming here to create a little media kit for my personal brand or my business, I would just find one that fits the vibe. Let's say I like this one, and we can open this up in the editor, and it's a little 2-pager right here, multiple artboards. So I've mostly chosen this template for the layout. If you don't like the color, you can change the color, but I do enjoy this green color a lot. So the only thing that I need to do is come in here and change maybe some of the text and the images right here. So this is a nice mask right here. I can release this mask, get rid of this picture right here, and drop in, let's just say, a picture of me. I don't have a ton of pictures of me. This is one of the only ones because I'm usually the one behind the camera, not in front of the camera. We're going to use this photo right here, and I would change this to my name. If I could spell my own name correctly, that would be some bonus points. And it looks like this is nice and center aligned on the page so that you don't have to center it there. And let's just say I'm a graphic designer, which is not true, and photographer, which is also not. And I think that I'd like to position this above my picture instead of up, because I think that looks just a little bit better. And then I could go up here and we could say bio summer 24. Depending upon how often you update this, you could have the time of the current one so that you have yourself nice and organized and you're not sending out old media kits to potential clients. And it looks like there's a nice little about me section. I'm not going to fill this out because there's nothing interesting about me, but I'm going to go over to the second page right here. Service and rates. This is a great section to have in one of these media kits, especially if you're working with clients or you want to be an influencer and you want to work with brands, have brand deals and whatnot. This is going to help clearly lay out for the person that you're inquiring to your rates and hopefully get you the job. So social media posts, we keep that at 200. Content creation, 100, we could keep content creation at 200. Product reviews, let's say you have a YouTube channel, that's $300. Brand ambassadors, we could just say something like brand design, and we'll bump that up to like 800. It's gonna be the odd pricing out, which 800 is still extremely cheap, but just for the purposes of explaining how the template works, that's fine. There's another section right here. You could just say like brands I've worked with, and then list a couple brands that you've worked with that may be well known to kind of give yourself a little bit of clout with deal that you're trying to get. And then we've got a little bit of sections over here, average reach. Like this one is mostly catered towards content creators that maybe they're wanting to collaborate with a brand and bolster a brand's reach. They could say that their average reach is about 8 million per whatever, maybe per post. Their followers is 1.8 million. Engagement, we could do 3.5. It looks like we have a little misspelling here, so I'll fix that for you. And then we go down to impressions and some different metrics here. And then obviously we have a little space for
email and phone number, as well as a second place for a photo, which, like I said, I don't have a lot of pictures from me, so I don't even know if 2 photos of me exist on this earth, so I wouldn't have anything to put in this mask. Back to our templates again. There are a lot of these that I like. I also love this one as well. Another nice little 2-pagers. They've done really well with the colors here. Again, these photos are masks, so you could come in here, release this mask, get rid of that photo and drop your photo in there, change all of your text and all of your different metrics and your contact information. And this is just gonna be a way simpler, more professional, streamlined solution than trying to create something like this from scratch. All of these templates are extremely easy to edit. The bar of entry to edit these and make them look awesome is very low. And we have new templates being added for all of these categories, not just media kits, but all of our marketing and all of our social and different categories for templates. We have new content being added every single day. That's all for today's video. Make sure to drop a comment down below if you enjoyed this video and let us know what else you want to see here on the channel. Let us know if there's templates that you're looking for that you're lacking. We'll get them made, and let us know what other kind of features that you want to see come to Kittl that would be helpful for your workflow, your business, your marketing, etc. If you're gonna like and comment the video and you've watched this far, you might as well click the subscribe button as well. It would be really helpful for us. Help support Kittl, help rep Kittl, share with your friends, and let's get more creators creating faster and making better designs. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.